How to pair hearing aids on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Hearing Devices. This page allows you to pair made for iPhone, or MFI, hearing aids or sound processors directly to your device. Now, tap the toggle switch next to Bluetooth under the MFI Hearing Devices section. Your iPhone will immediately start searching for any compatible hearing devices nearby. Once your device appears in the list, tap on it to complete the pairing process. Following these steps, you can easily pair a hearing aid to an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.